Hi everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I cook my vegan teriyaki chicken. The first thing to prepare is the teriyaki sauce, and the ingredients we need for the sauce include 1 cup of low sodium soy, half cup pineapple juice, half cup water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 2/3 cup of brown sugar. For the slurry, we need 1/4 cup water and 2 tablespoons cornstarch. We add the teriyaki sauce to the pan and we heat the pan over the medium heat, and we cook the teriyaki sauce until it starts to bubble. Then we add the slurry to the sauce, we stir to combine, and then we simmer and stir till the sauce thickens, and this takes about 5 minutes. Then we remove the sauce and set aside. Next thing is to mince the garlic and mince the ginger. Then we also need to cut like 1 to 1.5 cups of white mushrooms. Next, we heat the pan over medium heat. Then we add the vegetable oil. Then we add the vegan chicken chunks. You can cut it into smaller pieces if you like. You could use the Soy Curls or the Seitan Chicken. For this dish, I'm using store-bought Meiwa vegan chicken chunks, and we cook this for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then we set the vegan chicken aside. Next, we heat the pan again over medium heat. Then we add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and we fry them till fragrant or until they turn slightly golden brown. Then we add the mushroom, and we cook the mushroom for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we add the teriyaki sauce. Stir and mix well. Last thing to add is the vegan chicken chunks, and we need to cook these for 3 to 5 minutes. So when cooked, we can remove the chicken chunks, the vegan teriyaki chicken chunks, and place it in a low dinner bowl. I like to sprinkle sesame seeds and fried shallots over the dish, and then we can serve it with rice as well as a side. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy it and hope it helps you. If you enjoyed this video, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.